You might have heard whispers in the coin collecting world, stories that a simple West African coin, struck in 1977, could one day be worth not just a few dollars, not just hundreds, but maybe even thousands if the right error is found. Sounds unbelievable, right? Well, today we're diving into the story of the 1977 West African States 100 francs coin, a coin that looks ordinary in your pocket, but carries with it culture, history, and yes, even whispers of hidden value. Watch till the end, because the real worth may surprise you. At first glance, the front of this coin is eye-catching. It shows a traditional African mask, a powerful symbol of identity and heritage across the region. Surrounding the design are the words Banque Centrale de Etats de l'Afrique de l'Ouest, meaning Central Bank of the West African States. To most people, it's just an exotic design on everyday money. But flip it over, and the story continues. On the reverse, you'll see the denomination boldly written as 100 francs, surrounded by floral decorations. Curved along the edge are the words Union Monétaire West Africaine, or West African Monetary Union. And at the bottom, the year of issue, 1977. This is more than just currency. It represents unity between countries like Senegal, Mali, Ivory Coast, Burkina Faso, Niger, Benin, and Togo, who all shared this common coinage. Now let's talk about the coin itself. The 1977 100 francs is struck in aluminum bronze, a golden-colored alloy. It weighs about 6 grams and has a diameter of 23.5 millimeters. Millions were minted for circulation, intended to be used in daily trade across multiple countries. So, what about value? In circulated condition, most examples are only worth $1 to $3, just a small premium above face value. In uncirculated or mint condition, shiny and untouched, the value rises to around $10 to $20. But, as always, the real treasures are in the errors. Imagine a coin struck off-center, where part of the mask or denomination is missing. Such an error could bring $50 to $100 or more. Or a double die error, where the letters or numbers appear doubled. Collectors might pay $100 to $200, depending on how dramatic it looks. Rarest of all, a wrong planchet error. Picture a 1977 coin accidentally struck on the wrong metal blank, perhaps nickel or copper. Such an unusual mistake could drive the price into the hundreds, maybe even over $1,000 if discovered. And this is where the whispers begin. Could there be a spectacular mint error of the 1977 100 francs hidden in a collection somewhere? A piece so unique, a wealthy collector might pay anything to own it? Could that mean millions? The truth is, no. Unlike the legendary rarities of the world, this coin was produced in huge numbers and from common metals. While errors can raise its value, it will never realistically reach the $1 million mark. So what's the truth? For most people, the 1977 West African 100 francs coin is worth just a few dollars. In pristine condition or with a rare error, the value can climb into the hundreds. But its real worth is not measured in money alone. It's in the history it represents, a coin that links multiple nations under one currency, carrying the spirit of unity across West Africa. So the next time you come across this coin, don't just see it as pocket change. Look closer. If it's a 1977 100 francs with a mask on the front and the floral design on the back, you may just be holding a small piece of African history. And perhaps, if luck is on your side, a hidden treasure.